the Chief Executive Officer, Lautoka City Council, the trustees, Dr. Raman Moti and Mr. Rabin Ban Singh, the Senior Vice President, Mr. Reverend Raj, my good friend from Vodafone, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, dear children. Bula Minaka Lautoka. Bula. Bula Lautoka. That's better. It is with much pleasure that I'm here in the city of Lautoka for the crowning night. Ladies and gentlemen, carnivals such as this are an important indicator of the strength of the community feeling and togetherness. And before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge our beautiful contestant here on the stage and also the market vendors from Lautoka Market. Sugar Festival has become an anticipated festival at Lautoka, and people of all ages look forward to the week-long festival. It gets everyone together for a week to enjoy. This promotes one of your government's platform, that is promoting a common agenda for all irrespective of age, gender and race. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji First government is committed to invest in local municipalities and communities in order to meet our key economic goals. This includes to decentralize commercial, industrial and residential areas away from our towns and cities. Urban congestion and pollution are issues that can be tackled in this manner. One such example is the recent opening of Tawakumbu Satellite Mini Market. Lautoka City has been going through major capital projects with an aim to provide better facilities and services to the Lautoka citizens, including visitors. Lautoka City Council is currently, through government grant, constructing an international standard swimming pool facility with an estimated budget of 12.6 million. Construction of an indoor sports facility is in the planning stages, with government providing $500,000 for the project at Nanduvu Park. $1 million has been allocated to improve the ventilation and lighting condition at the Lautoka Municipal Market for our mothers and sisters. Government has full confidence in the Lautoka economy and has a vision to modernize Lautoka City through capital investment. As the nation prepares, ladies and gentlemen, for the general election, it is timely to remember and remember these achievements. But it is even more important to remind and reassure all of you that this is just the beginning of a better Fiji for all Fijians. My appreciation goes to the Festival Committee for selecting the theme being Clean Environment, Healthy Nation, Brighter Future. The theme's core objective of promoting good environment practice goes well with one of the global agenda that is promoting a sustainable environment. A clean environment should be everyone's desire. One of the challenges that the local authorities face has been the general upkeep of public areas. The upkeep challenges include littering by our citizens. As good citizens, I'm sure you can all help and contribute in keeping our environment clean. Please do the right thing. Put in the rubbish bin. You can help by not littering, educating others from not littering, placing solid waste including household items on the roadsides on the advice of the relevant local authorities. Just don't do by yourself. Notices will be given by the local authorities, then and only you put on the roadsides. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, I wish to acknowledge Vodafone for coming on board as the major sponsors for the Sugar Festival. And I was just waiting the reassurance from my friend, but he was a bit shy. But your presence here will force them to come next year on the boat to sponsor the 2019 Sugar Festival. My best wishes to the contesting queens for the Miss Sugar Festival Crown Contest tonight. I'm sure the winner will do good for the Lautoka city and its citizens proud at the upcoming 2018 Fiji Pageant Contest. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, please accept my appreciation and congratulations to the organizing committee for this wonderful event, and may it continue to grow and prosper as a truly district event. Thank you and God bless us all.
Honorable Minister Parveen Kumar for presenting the crown. A round of applause to Lautoka. Saini Buki Buki will go on to represent us at the upcoming Miss Fiji pageant that will be held in Suva later this year.